Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. Hope you're doing well. So today we are going to Farin waterfalls to see the waterfall that is in Nasarawa state. We are going from Lafia, and the place is about 130 kilometers away from Lafia. And today I'll be going with my colleagues Ahmed. This is Davidson and Peter. Travel with us as we go to see this new place. This is the first time we are going to the place. So stay with us, and if you can't subscribe to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Thank you. I feel like I'm shouting. So stay with us. We're already on the way, and want to see how beautiful that place is. So stay tuned. We are headed to Akwanga right now. From there, we'll now head to Wamba. We are about 28 kilometers away from Akwanga. These roads are long vehicles. They're like 5 and 6. We are 80 kilometers away from Akwanga, and this is one of the beauties in Nasarawa state. See the mountain tops and the green vegetation. And this is maize season. People have planted their maize. These views are beautiful. Can I just see myself on top of one of these hills? Bye. Go better for you. I was thinking, what is this something? Don't worry, one of these days people see me on top here. Okay. So we are 8 kilometers away from Akwanga. Akwanga is closer to Wamba, where the waterfall is located at. We are going to have a stopover at this is Mama Asabe's place. Wow. It's like a bush bar joint where people that are travelers, like commuters, stop here to buy meat and drink and fresh palm wine to refuel your energy, you know, and continue your journey. So we're going to make a quick stop here, get some meat and drink, and continue our journey. So we are at the first place now, but they're still preparing their meat. So we'll just get the palm wine and then head over to the other side to check their own meat.
Meat making process. Yeah.
So this is the fireplace for the meat. They're still preparing the meat. After they put it here, and then spice it more.
So we are checking out the other joint to see if theirs is ready.
Is ready, Bob? Okay. How much is it again? What's this thing called now, sir? Tinge? Okay. And it's called Ako in Igbo. For English, I think this is termites.
Tinge. Give sense.
Yeah, give sense. Once you eat it, it be like in Solomon. You have wisdom plenty.
Solomon chop tinge.
Yes, Solomon chop tinge.
Okay. John the Baptist. You forget, but in locust and white honey. Now this thing. Sense, like you. Yes. Yes. Sense. Our own is locust and palm wine. Ski.
Mr. P.
Yes. Man like P. Man like P.
This is a palm wine testing time. I give the gods their own. I'm fresh.
My wine is like.
It's like for cheers.
That is smarty. That is smarty.
We are already in Akwanga now, so we are headed to Wamba.
Okay, so we are heading to Susumbaki. From Susumbaki, we'll head to Mama. From Mama, we'll go to Farin. So that's about 10 minutes from here. Yeah, these are people going to farm and returning from farm. So I'm going to the markets. So we're getting closer to the waterfall, and I've just noticed that the network on my phone has gone off, so there's no reception here. But it's a very quiet town and peaceful place. They constructed a new road that leads to the Farin. I think they're trying to develop the area, and it's so nice and beautiful. The road is smooth compared to the other road that we've passed on our way to this place. So we got to this junction and we noticed that we passed the place that we're supposed to go from. We are going back. We are returning from the way where we came. We are going back to the way where we came from to locate. Where's that coming from? Return ye back. So we are leaving the third road now. Okay, see the Farin. Oh, see the signposts. So we just left the third road and we are entering the unthird road. I think we are closer to the place now. See people's houses. No fence, so nobody is thinking about security. Go and lock the gate. Nobody is thinking about it, and they have lights. They live so peacefully here. Wow. So you want to come here with 4 wheels and
Look at monkey.
See, a monkey just passed now and entered the bush, and it's just hiding there looking at us.
Wani, how are you?
I'm fine.
We are at a village now, so we had to stop to ask for direction. So this man came out and he said the tour guide is going to be with us soon. So we're just moving down, hoping to see the tour guide.
I feel fulfilled even though I've not even seen the waterfall. This place needs to be tapped. It's so untapped.
Aside that, only the Christians will stop using this place. Let's come together and
Hunters in they just do something.
That's our tour guide on the
So
motorcycle.
you can see the waterfall from here. See the. Okay, so we're getting closer. You can see the falls.
21. We did it.
Yeah, we did it. Oh, see the white water. So that's the Farin.
This is the white water, man.
You can see the water from here. That's the white water. You know, in Hausa, Farin means white, and then ruwa is water. So this is Farin ruwa, meaning white water fall. So we are getting closer to the place, and you can hear the sound of the Farin ruwa waterfalls. Wow. Wow, this is so lovely. See environment now. Once one, we'll just park here. So we are here now. Like you can hear the sound of the water. It's so calming. You can see nature. I see the vegetation, the green vegetation. And those are my travel buddies. Let me meet up. So this is it. This is the place. So we actually drove down to this place because the community, they said there's a place you will get to, you need to take bike, but we noticed that they've already graded the road, so it was motorable. So the place is actually developing, unlike how it used to be. So we are at the place now and you can hear the sound of the water. So I'm going down to register. I think there's a place you register when you come here. This is the hut. What do we do here? Okay, you register?
Yes.
Okay, so you register. We
Okay,
were
this
here.
is where we came from.
Okay, we came from Lafayette.
Yeah.
Came from Lafayette. So it's going to be like +3 now. Are we going to write each of our names? So we are stepping down to the place now, and getting closer to the water. This is the bridge. Yeah. Are you jumping? Yeah, you're excited, eh? It's easy. Oh. Yeah, be careful. See rocks. Farin waterfalls. Which people be there? Okay, good ultimate search. Yeah, these are the kind of places they should be using. This is very nice, honestly. It's them now. Yeah, investors, you know, investors, yeah. We'll come find.
So there happens to be a shrine inside the bush.
So that in times past, when their ancestors want to go for war or battles, that they used to come here, do some incantations, and then throw their arrows into this place. If the arrow stands upright, it means they will win the war. But if the arrow keeps his head down, it means they will lose the battle. So this is where they come to do their traditional.
Wow. But is it still being used?
I'm having one and find the sheep.
Okay, you feel enter here now. Okay, if you enter here now.
And even up to today, and they just renovated it newly. So that, yes, those that stay alive of their forefathers still come here.
Okay, that's some people still worship here.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. So we're almost there. I'm trying to catch my breath. Wow. This is it. Wow.
We're here already.
Yeah.
Welcome to ruwa.
Waterfall.
Awesome. Good to be here. Excited. For the nature is yeah. I'm so grateful I'm here today.
Yeah.
I feel humble. Seeing all this.
Yeah.
And I'm waiting that if you don't believe in God, this convince you.
Of course.
This is not a fruit from the ground by itself. Someone has to design it. Someone has to, put the pillars, the foundation,
Make it come to pass.
Exactly, make it come to pass. So this alone is evidence for you to start believing in God. The humble, the grateful,
We are living things and it's so beautiful here. Oh, so lovely.
Okay.
Now you can see this fall, and this water comes from Plateau State. So this is like a border between Plateau State and Nasarawa State. And this water was discovered in the 1950s. And the development is coming here gradually. And you can see what nature is doing here. God is so wonderful. This is so beautiful. This is wow. And it's so high. Up there. Woo! I'm glad I came here today. You should visit here. This place is so nice and beautiful. And it's so calm. You know that this kind of place exists in Nasarawa State and not many people know about it because we're having traffic here, but this is just the only ones here today. So you guys should come here. This place is beautiful. I will keep saying it. The sound of the water is so soothing. Even the water shower, like the breeze from the water is coming to this place. And it's so nice.
Yeah. See this man. He wants to swim. See this Fulani man.
And to think that this has about 150 meters fall from the drop. Up. 150 meters. According to statistics. Honestly, I can't get enough of the view. It's so lovely and nice. I can't get enough of it. I feel like this place is big. When I'm looking out from my window every morning, I'm seeing something like this. While coming here, the fee you have to pay is just 200 naira. That's very affordable, 200 naira. And it's just given to these locals. That's our tour guide over there. You guys should come here. This view is so lovely. Wow, so soothing. And so refreshing. This is awesome. God is so wonderful. God created so many good things. This is so nice and beautiful. So we are about leaving the place, and this is our tour guide, Baba Sanu. Mesnaka. Snappy lemon. Okay. Ah, 20 karanka there. Oh, okay. What's your role here?
I think he's the security here.
Okay, and also like a tour guide, right?
And also like a tour guide.
Okay. So what's this place called and how did it come to be? This water comes down from Plateau State. But this place is like a boundary between Plateau State and Nasarawa State. And then it gets to some point, it has east tributaries where it distributes to other rivers. And it gets down to River Benue. Wow, God is wonderful. So like how often do people come here?
Okay, now people come here frequently, people from the United States of America and other parts of the country.
Oh wow. Oh
And
wow.
they have records.
Okay, that's where we registered our name as visitors. Oh, okay, that's nice. What do you want the government to do here for your community? What kind of development do you want in this kind of place?
And they want the government to work on the road, especially those places where we saw water passing on the road.
Okay.
They want government to make
Like bridge. Okay, to put
But
bridges.
especially during August when the rains are.
Okay, okay. So you mean during that August, September period, you can people. Okay, the water they flow too much. What of here? I feel stand here when the water they fall like this. I cannot stand here. Wow. Okay, I have to go up there. So he's saying when we enter the rainy season proper, you have to stay up there. You can't come close to this place during rainy season. Okay, you have to stay up there. This is where we came down from. You can't get close to this place because the water flows down up to this point. Okay, so we are checking out. Hello, my fellow tourists. What do you think about this place, Murabus?
This place is very nice. I'm very happy to come here. And when I get married, I'll come here with my wife. What you hope, I will not say that.
What do you think about this place?
This is beautiful. Like, I've been in Nasarawa State for more than 30 years, and I've not had a chance to visit this.
More than 30 years now, because if you get 2 years, you still come here.
Oh, wow, I'm grateful. And I thank
Don't be sporting.
awesomeness of God.
Yes, so.
I'm humbled. Thank you. People, please sit here.
Yes, so.
Only going to Obudu. We have Obudu.
We have Obudu here. Oh. The government should come and develop this place. It's so lovely. It's a very good site. So the government should come and harness the opportunities and life here. Because this place can generate a lot of revenue for Nasarawa State, for Nigeria. So guys, please do want to visit here. This place is so lovely. So that is it for today. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. So you just saying that there is a cave in this town. So next time in our journey, we have to prepare ourselves because it's already late. So we need to head back to Lafia. But next time we are coming to this town, we are going to the cave. Baba, what's the name of the cave? Tahao. Okay, Tahao Mamu Lake. So we are going to come to the cave.